Hi there, this is Jerry Coates, the tech host at Rigetti High School. We're going to demonstrate Bouncy Balls for you. So Bouncy Balls is a website that will keep track of the noise in your classroom and tell your students when they're being too loud. You can see it is bouncyballs.org, and now I have some helpers behind me who are going to make some noise. So I'm going to turn my microphone on and ask them to talk. All right, and we are going to ask for the noise alert and turn the sensitivity. All right, go again. Okay, so noise. Oh, we have to get the alert one more time.
Okay. Oh, stop really up.
Okay, we can also change it to emojis
Oh.
and bubbles. And perfect for this time of year, we have eyeballs. So you can always put this up in your classroom while students are working, and it will show them just how noisy they are being. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.